How to fix Microsoft Teams app can't join or sign in problem. So if you want to fix your Microsoft Teams app can't join or sign in problem, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your Play Store, and here you need to search for Microsoft Teams. After opening your Microsoft Teams or after installing your Teams, if you have an update, you just need to simply go and update it, and after updating, your problem might be fixed. But even after updating, if that doesn't fix your problem, then you can just simply go back and open up your settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down and go with apps section. Under apps, go with manage apps, and here under manage apps, you need to search for Teams. After searching, tap on the application and then go with clear all data, which is on the bottom right, and you can go and clear all of your data. After clearing your data, you can go back, open up your Teams app, and here you can go with get started, which is on the bottom. Tap on allow and then enter your email or your phone number to sign into your account. So enter the information or credentials, tap on next, and then it says that you'll get a code to sign in. So you just need to simply go with send notification to your email, or if you don't have access, you can go with other ways to sign in, or you can also use your password. Tap on use your password, enter your password. After entering your password, go with next, and you will be logged in to your account. So that's how you can fix your Microsoft Teams app can't join or sign in problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.